scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Competitive market questions get easy when you compare how many shirts sellers offer with how many buyers want, then identify the right market condition. In a competitive market, start by matching supply and demand at the current price. 1,200 shirts are available for sale, while consumers want to buy 1,500 shirts. Since 1,500 is greater than 1,200, quantity demanded is larger than quantity supplied, so buyers want more shirts than sellers currently offer, which means the market has unmet demand. That condition is called a shortage, and shortages happen when demand exceeds supply at the current market price. So the correct choice is option B. Well done! Option B. Scan now. Don't flip the signs or rush. Trust the given numbers and check demand versus supply before choosing.